now completed 180 miles and it is 20 to 3 in the afternoon, so we haven't done bad with time at all really. Lovely view over there. Beautiful. Look at that. Old man of stars here somewhere then, I don't know whereabouts, but might be in the clouds. This is where people park for it. I think it's up there in the clouds actually. Now what's the hold up here? There's an accident up here. You're not going to get there any faster than any of the rest of us, okay? We'll wait up there. One of your guys. We'll wait up there. What's happened, do you know?
Oh, there's a biker.
Is it our lad? One of our lads?
Motorbike.
Motorbike.
Yeah, I'm bike is in the berg, off the road.
I went off the road.
Yeah, and I don't know what's happened.
You're not English?
In Holland.
Holland. Sorry.
I speak a little bit English.
Little bit English.
More than we can speak. Or...
Yeah, that is.
Oh dear.
And it's air ambulance and all, isn't it?
Yeah.
Air helicopter.
What's happened, sorry?
Biker, if it sounds of it, it's gone off the road, but I don't know. I hate that.
It's a bloody wind, you know, you can gust the wind around it.
Well, it is gusty.
Up there, when we was at the top there, it was windy, wasn't it?
It was, yeah.
A couple of places.
I think he thought he was a copper or something, that lad up there.
Oh, yeah. I think I should go down and see if they need any assistance.
I think they've got it covered, most. Yeah. I know you're a first aider fella, but I think the air ambulance has got it covered. It is a biker then?
It's a biker. The bike at the side.
Oh yeah, I can see it. Yeah.
Yeah.
In a collision with somebody or just went off the road?
No.
You don't know?
No.
I hate to see it.
Maybe
Terrible.
the side wind?
Isn't it strong though? The wind today blowing like mad.
Well, we've done the whole tour of Skye.
Yeah, we've done it all. We're coming back now. Twice?
Clockwise.
Clockwise, yeah, we've done it clockwise. We're just going home now. Are you doing the NC 500 then?
Yeah.
Including Skye, obviously.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Up the west coast, it's fantastic. Absolute. I hope you get good weather because it is amazing. The scenery is better than this. Better than this. Yeah. Up the west coast, it is. Fantastic.
We are Belgium.
Belgium. I've rode through your country.
Yesterday when we arrived, the road to here was fantastic.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. All Scotland is amazing though.
Came from Fort William.
Fort William, yeah, that's lovely as well. Yeah.
Fort William to here.
Yeah. There it goes. Wow. Safe flight, safe flight. Fingers crossed. I'll go back to my bike now. Very pleased to meet you. Enjoy the rest of your holiday.
Right.
Pleased to meet you. Enjoy the rest of your trip. See you later. That was something else, wasn't it? The helicopter.
Yeah. I do give to air ambulance. That's the only thing I do give to.
Do you?
Yeah.
Good lad. Something every biker does not want to see. That's horrible. Not good. All the very best. The rider who was down. Oh, a lovely couple I talked to though, the Belgian couple. Just entering Portree. And now the sun comes out. It doesn't look like they've had any drizzle or rain here. We're now just going to merge onto the A87. There we go, merged onto the A87. How good does that look with a bit of sunlight on it, a bit of low cloud? Oh, I know what there, look at them mountains there. Lit up beautiful by a bit of sunlight. And that's where we're headed, happy days. That wind is still awfully strong, if you can still hear it on the microphone. We're still on the A87 and we're just heading down to Broadford. Yeah, wowza, that is beautiful. Now riding down the road that we came up on. So what will that block be there? Loch Ness. Time is now 20 to 4. Because we had to wait for that unfortunate incident back there. It's added a fair bit of time on, but hey, as long as it takes to get somebody safe, as long as it takes. Amazing. Shame it ain't a bright sunny day. There's the waterfall actually coming up that I was trying to show you when we was coming up this way. Be able to see it better coming down. Because it was like behind me when we was coming. Just up here on the right, look. There you go, look. Beautiful. Just coming back into Broadford now. I'm going to fill up, refuel here. They nipped at shop. And then I'll be back over the Skye Bridge. And that is the loop of Skye that we've just done. Highly recommend it, spot on. I won't mind just 5 or 10 minutes though.
20 quid I got in then.
I won't mind just 5 or 10 minutes break now though.
Now?
Yeah. Where can we go?
Yeah, we've got to pull over there then.
Well, that's us refueled again, full up. Heading back home. Just got to go from the west side back to the east side now, which is what we got left. 104 miles to go now. Just heading back down to Skye Bridge, get us back onto the mainland, and then different way back. It's going to be A87 and A82 mainly. And here we are, happy people. Leaving the Isle of Skye, crossing the bridge. Certainly a nice view from the bridge. Oh, coming back it looks even better. Look at them islands over there. Going back to the mainland. We're on the A87 and it's saying that we're on it for 57 miles. Oh, 52 miles the sat-nav's telling me. Gets rid of all them lot on the road. There's Eileen Donan Castle. Seen that before when we did the NC 500. Still spectacular. Now we're riding along the banks of Loch Duich. This is a great piece of road as well. The A87 curving its way along the banks, like I say, of the Loch Duich. Great fun. Great road. Great views. Can he fault it? This road is fantastic. Anybody who comes to Scotland, get yourself on the A87. Surrounded by gorgeous massive mountains, riding between them all on a lovely curvy bendy road. Absolute heaven. This has been one great day's riding. I think it's the longest one we've ever done while based in Scotland. 323 in a day. But Christ, it's been worth it. Absolutely phenomenal. This road needs music. What an absolutely amazing road. I'm just riding along with a massive smile on my face. Like as heaven. God, look in front of us and all. Wowza, wowza, wowza. It just keeps getting better and better and better. And that one is Loch Clooney. So we're just riding around now. Loch Clooney. Could you find a more beautiful place to ride your bike? I don't think you could. I say it time and again, people ask me why do I keep coming back to Scotland time and time again. I just don't have to explain, do I? It's the most fun you can have on a motorbike. Be surrounded by such phenomenal beauty. You just never want it to end, that's the thing. You could just keep riding this for miles and miles and miles and miles. A few miles have passed now, happy people, and we've done 272 miles. 48 miles to go. What a road this has been. I could just make a film of the whole bloody road, but it'll like take hours. Well, it won't take hours because we've only been on it for what? 40 minutes or something like that. But what an absolute joy to ride. I'd just like to find somewhere just to park up and maybe send the drone up. Give a bit of footage from above. And we're going to be joining the A82 shortly and riding up the banks of Loch Ness for about 20 odd miles. Loch Ness is the biggest loch in Scotland. I think I've told you all before, if you took every other loch in Scotland, poured it into Loch Ness if it was empty, it would not fill it up. That's how vast and massive Loch Ness is. It has a bigger volume of water than every other single loch in Scotland put together. There's a fact for you. And now on the A82. Heading towards Inverness, and in a short while we'll be riding up the banks of Loch Ness. We'll see if we can see Nessie. There she is, Loch Ness. That's just brilliant, isn't it?
It'll be one of the best biking roads in the world.
It has, hasn't it? That's no joke though, Muds. The A87 and A82 was just ace.
There wasn't much traffic. The road surface is pretty good in most.
It is, isn't it?
The scenery is awesome.
Oh, absolutely awesome.
See, that's the best day's riding I've ever had. That was fantastic. That.
Yeah, without a doubt, mate. Without a doubt. What would you say if I said, do you mind if I send my drone up?
No, I don't mind at all, mate. No.
What's that, about another hour?
Hey?
About another hour?
40 mile.
Yeah, about an hour.
Well, happy people, I think just about at the end of Loch Ness. Just brought you back after we've rode a few miles up the bank. I hope you've seen a bit of drone footage that I took flying over Loch Ness. road that we were riding. On this long day that we've had, we have now rode how many miles? 288 miles. Oh, 288. And we've got 34 to do. But once we leave the banks of Loch Ness and start going towards Inverness, there's not a lot to see, so I might just wind this one up here. I hope you've enjoyed this day as much as we have. It's been absolutely fantastic. We knew it would be a biggie, but to be truthful, we set off at 9 o'clock this morning and it's still only 6:10 in the afternoon, in the evening, 6:10. So we're going to be home for what, half past 6, 20 to 7. So that's not bad for 323 miles. Well guys, we are nearly at Inverness, not far away now, and once we get to Inverness we're only 10 miles up the road to our campsite. So we have done 305 miles now, which, like I've said before, it's been a long day, but an absolutely cracking one of the best days riding I've ever had, I think. It really is, and what a way to finish. Look, the sun beaming down on us and bright blue skies. It's just gorgeous. So yeah, we've been very lucky. So thanks for watching this one, and we'll see you in the next one, wherever it may take us. Thanks for watching guys. Cheers now. Bye.